this is one of the payments that we've received from a legit data entry job. And in today's video, we're going to be showing you how you can make this amount of money in the same method. Today's method can be done on your computer or your phone, it doesn't matter. Which means that you can take your job with you anywhere. Whether it's to lunch or to a family gathering or to a vacation, you can take your job with you on your phone. Even while you're enjoying and doing your own thing, you're still able to earn, which is very convenient, and we assume the best thing you're ever gonna know. So you can earn more or the same or less than this payment right here, but don't worry, because if you actually pay attention and watch the whole thing, you're going to surpass how much we've earned for sure. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. So as you can see on our screen here, this is our latest data entry task. The company who hired us tasked us to look up jewelers from Los Angeles. So that's what you're seeing right now. Now this was going to be used in a research study, so that's why we were asked to look for all of the jewelers in LA, or as much as we can gather. And then just input it in a spreadsheet and that would basically be it. So we looked up Los Angeles jewelers, and obviously Google Maps will show you what you're looking for, and you can easily just click on the jewelers. So we have Sarah Leonard, Peter Norman, High Class, Artist LA, and basically a whole lot more. So whatever you click, it shows more information on the left side, correct? And what you want to do is copy their name and then just paste it on a spreadsheet under business. So as you can see, you have the business, email, phone number, and address. So what we did was we had to get all of this information. So we have the name, and it's relatively harder to find the email address, but what we like to do is just go straight into their website, which most jewelers would have. Then you'll easily actually just find their contact number there, their email, and even their exact location. So you just need to look for that on their website. Copy and paste it under their respective categories. So then you're just going to do that with the rest of the jewelers, so it's really pretty much very basic stuff. If you're quick with your hands, you can easily do this in less than like an hour. And they pay you a good amount of money too, and when we say good, we mean almost $200 of only an hour of work, which honestly, who wouldn't want that, right? Now let's get into the exact platforms that's going to pay you to do what we just showed you. The first one that we're going to be showing you isn't the highest paying website one. So if you want to know which platform is the highest paying one, then you definitely need to stay until the end. But our first website is something that you need to start with. Anyway, the first website is called Clickworker, and to get to their website, just type in clickworker.com. Now, as you can see, profit from your talents. Clickworker is always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct texts, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data for us. If you guys want to make even more money online, over $500 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below. We have something for you guys there, and I'm not going to tell you what it is. You just have to go check for yourself and be amazed. Also, I want you to leave a comment down below about where you're from, what devices you use, and what your preferred payment method is. And that way, I can focus on that when I make future videos for my lovely subscribers. So let's keep going. Now how it works is that you can sign up as a Clickworker for free of charge. Then you're going to work independently. Your schedule is flexible, and all you need is a computer and or a mobile device with an internet connection. Now the internet connection is not optional, it is mandatory, so you need to have internet. Then you decide when and how much you want to work on a freelance basis. Now, the best thing about this is that you can download this on both Android and iOS devices. So you can easily go on like Google Play Store or the App Store, download the app, and start making money just from your phone. So the jobs on this app would be text creation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, research, which we are focusing on, surveys, mystery visits, app testing, photo capturing, audio recordings, and video recordings. Now, those are a whole lot that you can do on literally just one website. You can obviously try everything out, but since our focus is data entry, that's what we're going to be discussing. Now, as you can see, research on this website is search for data and addresses of companies, restaurants, and other localities in the web. And that's literally what we just showed you earlier. And that's exactly what this website is asking for. So you're going to sign up, fill out your user profile, complete short assessments, and then get good results so you can get many jobs. You're then going to process your jobs online, and then you're going to get paid on a weekly or monthly basis. Now, here are some benefits at a glance. It is easy to start with assessments. There's good quality work that ensures an increase in earnings. You can work from home whenever you have time. You don't have to worry about customer acquisition. And this website, they take care of the distribution of the jobs to you. This website gives you more time for your own work, and you don't even have to write invoices either. They literally take care of the entire process, including payment to you weekly or monthly via SEPA or PayPal, and there is 24/7 support from their community. So this is the first website to get started with. Now, the second website is called Pico Workers, and to get to their website, you just need to type in picoworkers.com, and that should lead you to this page right here. Small gigs, big results. Basically, customers come to you on here, ask for help as far as data entry. So this website is the second highest paying one, and it's also a great way to earn money from data entry. In fact, one of the most legit and trusted websites for data entry jobs, and that's exactly why we included it in today's video. So make sure that you get into this as well. If you're loving this video so far, make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment about what you're loving the most about our video so far. It really helps the channel, and it makes us really happy to know if you do so. Just make sure you keep watching because we're almost done and you're almost going to start making money like wildfire. So let's continue. Finally, if you want to find the website that pays the highest for data entry, you can actually look that up on Google straight away. Now, Google has a search tab that if you type in data entry jobs, Google, the brilliant Google, pulls up all the listings for you for that specific search. And they give a price and information on it and stuff like that. So it's also another great way to spot the best ones in the market. And that is basically it. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.